Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to give you an overview of my travel pack, the Osprey Fairview Trek 50. From the front, this looks pretty much like your standard travel backpack. It's got a really awesome U opening, some standard compression straps. But what makes this pack really interesting is its ability to also go from travel to trail, hence the Trek in the name. So when you turn this backpack around, you really start to see what is a standard harness of most trail backpacks. This one actually has Osprey's Air and Speed back panel, which is the same harness system that they feature on several of their trail backpacks. So those of you familiar with Osprey know that they've been making travel bags for a long time, and both the Fairview and Farpoint names aren't new either. The new Trek series is taking these same great features that we know and love about the Fairview and Farpoint travel and moving them into a hybrid format. Fairview specifically talks to Osprey's women's line, while Farpoint talks to its men's line. On the outside of the pack, you're going to notice some specific travel-focused features, including a wide zip pocket that's perfect for magazines or other flat items. It also has some gear stash loops on the bottom that can help you lash on a sleeping pad, but these can also be removed if you prefer a sleeker, cleaner look on your bag. Towards the top of the pack, you'll notice quality zippers that are lockable and from YKK. As we transition to the back of the pack, you'll start to notice more of Osprey's trail-focused features, including a pass-through for the water reservoir, as well as this hybrid back panel. My favorite part about the bag is by far this trail harness system. It does a great job of providing both ventilation and weight transfer to your hips. As we move up the straps, you'll start to notice load levelers. These are great for balancing the pack and getting better weight distribution. And the hip belt is cushy and features 2 hip pockets. Now we're going to take a peek inside the bag and see just how much this pack can carry. At 50 liters, it's more than enough for a 2 or 3 week trip. And you can easily see that the U-shaped opening allows for easy packing and unpacking, as well as visibility of all of your items inside. You'll also notice those wingspans and straps help secure your gear and ensure a nice, consistent, stable carry. The side pockets are fantastic for holding larger items like large water bottles or layering for colder weather. All right, I've got my pack fully loaded. I'm gonna give it a go. Whenever you're fitting a pack, you always want to make sure that you're adjusting the straps from the bottom to the top. If you've never worn a hiking pack before, I'd really recommend going into your local outdoors store or REI and getting some advice on how to customize the fit just for you. The back panel on this pack actually has 4 different height settings that'll help you fit your unique torso length. Now that I've got my pack on, you can see I'm ready for anything. I love the hands-free carry of this bag, and you can also tell that Udon approves it. A great feature about the top of this pack is a zippered compartment specifically for the air porter cover. This dual nature cover helps you keep your pack safe in transit, as well as keeps it protected from the elements as a rain fly. So this has been my review of the Osprey Fairview 50 Trek pack. It really is one of the best hybrid packs on the market and can become your everyday carry for travel. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.